Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Better Bots. Today, I'm super excited. We're going to be doing a quick high level overview of high level. And yes, pun is fully intended. If you've watched any of my other videos, you've probably seen me use this tool a couple times. It's a all-in-one marketing automation platform. And today, we're going to be answering the most important question, which is this still the best tool for marketing automation in 2022? So to answer that question, let's go ahead and dive on in. So before I started doing this video, I did do my research on some other YouTube videos that are available on this topic. And it seems that all of the other videos focus on just the features of the platform. And that's great, but it doesn't really focus exactly on the problems that it's solving for its users. And Einstein said, if I had an hour to solve a problem, I'd spend 55 minutes thinking about the problem and 5 thinking about the solutions. So, what problems does GoHighLevel actually solve? So, some major areas for SMBs, which is small to medium sized businesses, is content creation and design, automation, and then, of course, connectivity. So, with content design and creation, one of the things you'll need is a place to actually create marketing content to display what exactly your business's message is and what your offering is as well. And so, what that looks like, if we want to go ahead and dive in to go high level, there's three major tools that allow you to solve this problem for design and content creation. So the biggest one is the newest one I want to make sure I talk about. It's the social planner. So I've done another video on this one. I was super excited when it came out, but just so that you can kind of have a good overview of what this looks like, you can connect your social accounts here. So Instagram, Facebook, Google My Business, and they just added LinkedIn. I mean, talk about exciting. You can actually add your LinkedIn profile and LinkedIn page here and plan your social media posts for LinkedIn. But so anyway, so you can add your social media accounts here, and then you can create a post, and you can design it. You can add images, whatever it is that you want to add, you can add to this post, and then you can schedule it for later. So that way, you can just do 4, 5, 6 posts in one day. Let them be scheduled out for the week, and boom, now you've got lead generation content for the rest of the week. So there you go. There's one solution. And then on top of that, we've got an email builder, right? So let's say you want to expand your marketing efforts into email outside of just social media. So now you've got an email builder where you can actually build different components of HTML of an HTML template. So like I've got a photo in here. This photo has a link that I can track how many clicks were made. I've got different images in here with an embedded video somewhere in here as well. So really all around builder. You can put video, shopping cart, RSS items. I mean, they've really done a lot of work on this email builder. And a lot of what you can do on the email builder, you can also do on the website builder. So let's go on over to the sites tab over here. And this is where we can build funnels. So let's say we want to just build some quick no code funnels. We're not worried about SEO, but we want to be able to have, for example, let's say a checkout page. And we don't really want to write any code for it, but we have like an embed from Stripe or from PayFunnels or whatever, or from PayPal. So you can build this. I wrote zero code to do this. All I had to do was include a couple of images and an embed that was powered by PayPal. So really good for building super simple funnels like that. And you can even do custom domain mapping, just like I've done here. But if funnels doesn't serve your needs, you can even have a website. You can host your website onto here. And they actually just launched a beta for WordPress hosting as well. I'll do another follow-up video on what that looks like. But yeah, you can host websites. And let's say you need Kajabi. Let's say you need a place for having a course. So you can even have that as well. You can have an entire like almost like Kajabi lookalike course in here where you can create video content. And then, you got forms for your website, surveys for your website, and then a chat widget for your website. They got all kinds of stuff. I mean, it's truly made for, solving that problem of content creation, generation, messaging, and just having all of that under one roof. Now, under automation, this is the next big problem that many businesses need to solve because speed to lead is key. And without automation, that is almost impossible. So, what I mean by speed to lead is within the first 5 minutes of a lead showing interest, you should really go ahead and reach out to them. You should get in touch with them as quickly as possible. And the beautiful thing is, almost any resource on the platform can be a trigger. So that means when a form is filled out, when somebody responds, when a call is made, anything at all that exists on the app can be used as a trigger within the automation. So let's look at what that actually looks like. Now, their workflow builder is basically the core of their automation part of their platform here. And it's really cool because, like I said, you can literally have almost any resource be a triggering action within the CRM. So, in this automation specifically, I have that the form is my YouTube lander form that was built with what I just showed a minute ago with the design side of it. And whenever that form is submitted, I want to fire a webhook to my Integromat scenario to do a few other things outside of GoHighLevel that are not related to my CRM. And then I wanted to update an opportunity so that I can keep track of my pipeline to see exactly what my return on investment is for any YouTube ads that I'm making or any, just YouTube videos in general. So very, very powerful. And there's so many different actions you can take. I mean, you can do emails, SMS, any of the integrations they have, you can use those, and I'll go over those a little later. But just all of these different actions can be taken, and it really gives you a lot of control over how quickly you get back to the most interested leads and how you can organize, even your team by assigning to different users and setting, event dates and stuff like that. So this is truly a really powerful automation tool within this marketing automation tool. Now, the third problem we were talking about is connectivity. So, of course, all of this content creation and automation, they really mean nothing if you have no way of communicating with the prospect. So we saw in the workflow builder that there's SMS steps, there's email steps, and there's also lots of other communication steps. And that's what I mean when I say that the content creation and the automation, they are important, but they don't really mean anything if you have no way of actually getting in contact with the prospect that you're trying to use this tool for. So just natively, GoHighLevel integrates with Twilio. They also integrate natively with Mailgun, a really big SMTP provider, Google My Business, Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger. So they integrate with all of these currently natively within the GoHighLevel app. Coming soon, as in this year soon, TikTok is coming, Twitter is coming, and WhatsApp is coming, all natively integrated this year. So these are all on the roadmap. And plus, on top of all of those amazing integrations, they have a fully open and documented API. So this means that if there's an integration that you want that doesn't exist, or it's not planned yet, you don't really have to wait for them. You can use their OAuth 2 API to create your own app and have it solve whatever problem you need without having to wait on the GoHighLevel dev team. So just a few of the custom integrations that I've been able to make with this API. So like with Dialogflow CX, we're able to have really realistic natural language chatbots. With Gmail, we're able to sync our Gmail accounts really nice and easily. And then, of course, with Zillow, we can get home data for a contact, depending on if we are looking to buy or sell for this contact. So individually, these features they're not really important. I'm sorry, they are important, but they're not overly powerful. But it's when you put them all together in the same app that really gives you, that true all around automation platform tool. So you may be wondering, like, is this a truly unbiased opinion? And full disclosure, I am a GoHighLevel affiliate. I have been for a couple of years. And I've been on the platform for about 3 years now, so I'm a user as well. So overall, is it still the best solution for marketing automation in 2022? That's the question we said we wanted to answer. And yes, I still think that it is. And here's why. In addition to everything that I've already covered today, all of the platforms, all of the things it integrates with, all of the features it has, everything, there's no per user fee on this platform. So a lot of other platforms that are very similar and have competing products, they charge you per user that wants to log in. But HighLevel doesn't do that. They just charge a flat monthly fee. And so for that flat monthly fee of only $297 a month, you're getting unlimited users, which is a very, very big deal in the CRM world. Unlimited users, plus you're getting all of these features, a lot of which I didn't even cover. I mostly just covered the main fundamental things that businesses need to have solved. So you're getting all of this for just a flat $297 a month. And in addition to that, very, very recently, less than 6 months ago, They secured over 60 million in investment for this platform, and for a digital marketing platform when it's already such a saturated market to generate that kind of investment, it shows true promise for the trajectory that they're on. And so that's why I really do think it's still the best platform for marketing automation in 2022. And I think it's headed even bigger. I think eventually it's gonna be even bigger than what it is now, and have amazing features. So if you haven't checked it out yet, please be sure to go to GoHighLevel.com. There will be a link in the description of this video. You'll get a 2-week free trial. Try it out. Follow some of my other videos for how to get set up. Their support team is absolutely amazing. And if you don't like it, let me know. And if it's not because of some kind of user error or configuration error or something like that, let me know what your feedback is, and I'll be very, very surprised if I have anybody actually tell me that they didn't like it and that it didn't work out well. So overall, this is a high level overview of GoHighLevel, and yeah, still the best automation platform. So let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.